What's good, app grinders? Reggie P here. Hey, how would you like to make $50 right now? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 per post just from writing articles. If you're interested, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 per post just from writing articles. If you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you about how to make $50 per post, let me tell you about a few things right now. If you want some free stuff, just click on the links below where it says free giveaway. These giveaways will help you on your journey in making money online. So go ahead and download those free giveaways right now. I also have other cool stuff in the description below that will help you make more money and help you become your own boss and make money on autopilot. So check in the description below and check all the cool stuff I have to offer to you guys. All right. Also, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to give to you guys. And you want to really check out this proposition. So please watch this video to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer. Let's get it.
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Cracked. And it says here, we want you. You can write and make stuff for Cracked today. If you are funny, smart, creative person, Cracked is the single best opportunity you will ever come across in your life. No experience necessary. We will pay you if it's good. You talk directly to the editors. Your work could be seen by millions of people. We need writers, artists, and people can do a little bit of both. Take your pick. So they will pay you to write articles here. So they need writers and they need artists. So you can also, let's scroll down here. Well, let's scroll right here. It says if you want to get paid to write the list style feature articles that crack.com is famous for, like 26 sexy Halloween costumes that shouldn't exist, 6 books every one, including your English teacher, got wrong. So that's some of the things that are very famous on this website. And you can also, right here where it says images, if you prefer writing bit-sized comedy, we're always looking for people to create entertaining, informative images that can be shared on social media. We publish them in sets like 15 paranormal images, even non-crazy people find creepy. So not only you can write articles, you can also do images. So if you're interested in this, just go to crack.com and sign up. I'll leave a link in the description for this site. Now let's go. Oh, I'm sorry. Typically they pay from $50 all the way to $300 to write articles on here. So they got all different type of ways you can get paid. I mean, far as the amounts that you can get paid for writing articles and doing the artist work. So check this out. So let me go ahead and go to the next site that will pay you $50 or more to write articles. All right, I'm on the next site, which is called Wanderlust, and it says here the original travel magazine. So they pay you to write articles for their travel magazine, and they typically pay, let's check and see how much they pay here. Let's scroll down. All right, they typically pay £220 per 1,000 published words. So, if you're in Europe, you can go ahead and write for this website also, because they pay in pounds. So, £220 per 1,000 published words, and they also pay £90 per 750 words for their facts pages. So it says here payment will be made within 30 days. So once you write an article and submit it, they accept it, you'll get paid in 30 days. So you can write as many articles as you can. You could probably make well in the thousands of dollars, depending on how many articles you can write within a month. And when you submit that and get approved, within 30 days you can get paid from $220, from 90 pounds all the way up to 220 pounds and even more. So if you're interested in this, applying for this site, I'll leave a link in the description also, but it's wanderlust.co.uk.
So now you know how to make $50 per post just from writing articles. So go ahead and sign up, start writing those articles, and start making this money. Now, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the proposition I want to offer to you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and in all the videos that's leading up to my 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 313, so I got a little ways to go, but I think we can make it there real fast. So what I'm going to do once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cash via PayPal or Amazon gift card. And then I'm going to pick the second comment and reward that person with $10 cash via PayPal. So please drop that comment down below, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Alright, that's all I have for this video. Please smash that like button. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and Reddit. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Alright, I'm done. That's it. It's a wrap. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my recent video right here. Right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch that video. Peace.